I think I'm actually the first person to park my bike in the bike sheds. Good morning. The sun has just risen over Chelmsford and I'm at the new Beaulieu Park station. I'm not kidding you, there's a lot of people around. There's a lot of train enthusiasts and I'm one of them. So, look at that.
This station's been long awaited, I can tell you. It will serve the rapidly growing garden village of Beaulieu Park. However, I've yet to find a pub there. If you know one, leave a note in the comments, please. Yeah, not madly keen on those paper tickets actually. Prefer the cardboard ones. Just saying.
Good morning everyone, welcome to Beaulieu Park. Our first London train will depart from platform 1 in approximately 5 minutes time.
Whoa.
If you'd like to witness the first years of the park from our brand new station, over 100 years, please take the access available to all platforms by to this estate.
Certainly looking quite palatial for a railway station. Hopefully there won't be any graffiti on it in 6 months' time. Okay, it's really, really well designed station. There's a hell of a lot of people here. So nice to see so many young families here. Everyone's got a really excited in their faces. Brilliant.
Good morning everyone, we're excited to announce the train now arriving on platform 1 is the first train to arrive at Beaulieu Park. Our first new station on the Great Eastern Main Line for over 100 years. This is your 0720 service to London Liverpool Street. Calling at Chelmsford, Ingatestone, Shenfield, Romford, Stratford and London Liverpool Street. And that's it everyone, we are away. The doors are now open at Beaulieu Park, our first new station on the Great Eastern Main Line for over 100 years. Train now standing on platform 1 is your 0720 Great Transient service for London Liverpool Street.
This could be your morning commute.
I thought they could have cleaned the windows, but never mind. Yeah, so booked the train. I think it's come from Colchester, and I'd say it's probably about 50% full. It's not bad for 7:20 in the morning.
Yes, well, this is very.
The next stop will be Chelmsford. We are now approaching Chelmsford.
Didn't take long, did it?
So, welcome to Chelmsford. The plan is to return to Beaulieu Park Station on the 8:43 from Chelmsford. So I got a bit of time to have coffee and a toasted sandwich. Oh, this is Chelmsford's lovely cathedral and our Shire Hall. Maybe a vlog for another day.
First train in from London to Beaulieu Park.
I'm just going to go.
Blimey. That's it. Oh, sorry.
Service from this new station, the 847.
Go. Right, nice meeting you, Amanda. Take care.
Hey, back again. Well, that's the end of this little adventure today. just got back from Chelmsford, met some lovely people. Hi to Amanda. I think he's the other chap, Richard. But all I know is he makes brilliant brass models of locomotives. So hi to you too. Yeah, I'm doing lots of them. There's going to be lots of editing today. But yeah, it's been. How many times have I said the word buzz? It's been such a great buzz around the place today. Bye. Yes. It isn't it? Yeah. Right. Lovely. Cheers, mate. Appreciate that. Have a good day.
Take care, mate.
Yeah, cheers. At the top of a great day, I bump into one of my great cycle buddies who will show me the specially created cycle route back to town. Please consider subscribing to Riley's YouTube channel before he finishes his days in the local retirement home, where the broadband signal is rubbish.